Hi, Don the Old Radio Guy again. I've got a package stereo system that's up for sale. Let me widen this up a little bit. It consists of JVC receiver, JVC turntable, and 2 JVC speaker systems. Okay, everything has been repaired, serviced. I've done a video on the speakers which showed replacing the surrounds which had perished. They're now completely repaired, new surrounds installed, and the crossover network and tweeter were checked and they're fine. Cabinets in reasonably good shape considering the age. Not bad at all, really. The receiver is an excellent receiver. Let's see if I can focus in on it. It's a JVC R-S5 receiver, and I think it's good for 25 or 30 watts per 35 watts per channel. I'll check and post that on the listings that I have. The amazing thing for this receiver is the station that I have up right now is a good distance away, and it's our favorite radio station, classical music, and it's very difficult for anything to pick up. Well, I have a single wire FM antenna, and as you can tell, it's picking it up in full stereo. It's a bit hissy, but with a well-placed antenna, it would be a superlative performer. The cosmetics are pretty good on this. There's a little bit of the chrome off of there and off of there, not too much. Otherwise, the front dial is in absolutely excellent shape. I can demonstrate the turntable. Of course, I can't do much. Let's get this up first. Get it over. Okay, it's auto return, and what it has is a new cartridge, and that includes a new stylus, a new belt. The original belt was perished, and the platter mat was, I can't remember whether it was missing or in bad shape. No, it was there, but in bad shape. Okay, and I won't play any more than that. Let me just raise the queuing. Oh, okay, so now it's going to shut off, but that's okay. And if I can skitter off the record. Oh, I don't like doing, oh, it's been difficult. Thank you. Okay, and there's a new cork mat that's been installed. So it's a auto return, and it's an L-A11 JVC 2-speed turntable. Dust cover's in reasonable shape. I don't know whether you can see that. There's some scuff marks on that, but then after all these years, that's to be expected. So I'm going to put this package up for sale. My joy was in servicing it and getting things all shipshape, but I don't need another system in the house. I've got quite a few already. So it will be ready to go, and I'll be putting it up on Marketplace. As a package, I'll consider selling them individually, but I think I'd prefer to sell it as a package at any rate. So if you're interested, check out my Marketplace and probably Kijiji at Don's Audio Service at gmail.com. Listings. Okay, so thank you for watching, and have a nice day.